Okay, so I'm just getting a bit of a problem where I'm getting a fair bit of noise from the arc. That's kind of second time I've used it actually. I noticed the first time I used it a couple of days ago. So if I pair the arc up, let's put the arc on, showing as paired, which is great. And then if I go to live motion, turn the wheel to slide and then calibrate, you can hear the slider's very quiet, which is great, what we like. However, first thing it asks us to do is to turn the wheel to point the camera. As soon as the arc begins to turn, you'll start to hear that hiss. Now if I turn the camera to a point like so, see the hiss increases even more depending on whereabouts it is, and the hiss is coming exactly from the body in here. It's higher. Now if I set that point and then we turn it over the other side, let's just give it another arbitrary spin and choose a point, say there. Hope you can hear this. As it's moving around and turning, you've just got that latent background hiss. And then what sounds like a tiny little kettle inside it. Yeah, if you could help, that would be great. Here's just an additional, because I just thought, if you can hear the noise, it's probably easier for you to hear it when I turn the Evo off. Now the Evo's off.